Hi guys! Okay, so we're here somewhere special. Today we received a call and now we're about to find out what it is. That's a surprise actually for my dad. You want to tell them the surprise now or you want to tell them later?
I will tell them later.
Okay, let's find out what it is.
Alright.
Okay. Special today. Basically, I'll let you guys see what it is.
Alright guys, this is the surprise that I was talking to you about.
Okay.
Hey, by the way, this is Nick, right?
Hi.
Hi. Number one.
Okay, let's find out what it is.
Wow.
This is the one.
This is it. I've been waiting for this for almost 7 months, right? So finally it's here.
Yeah.
So
Inside.
let's look inside. Okay?
Let's do the unboxing now.
Give me the pliers. I want to do the honor.
So the color, let us be surprised about the color.
The color we don't know yet.
Okay.
Let's say
This color.
one, two, and finally the third one. You do the honor of lifting this up. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Whoa, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Right out of the box. Right out of the box. Oh my. No, this is the screen. Yes.
Oh my god, guys.
Look at that. Put it higher. Yeah. Ta-da! This is Black Hawk. I call this Black Hawk. Right? Oh. Have to.
Okay.
Right.
Sorry, are you happy?
I am excited. I'm very happy. Extremely happy. No words to describe.
Okay, he's
Right?
happy.
Thanks to Nick.
All right.
All his hard work. Krip ni dia buang pun. Krip ni pun dia buang kan. Kan? Nakam. Let's see. There's a technique to it. Yeah, that's it.
Beauty.
Right. Wow. 7 months waiting for this. Finally, it runs.
Actually, it could be even later.
You can have it later, yeah?
Yes.
So guys, if you want to buy BMW Motorrad,
Look for Nick.
yeah, look for Nick.
Look for Nick.
You know who to look for.
This is at Chear in Puchong.
Finally, Chear.
It's you.
Nice. Really nice.
So, sekarang dulu, ini dia lanjut.
How do you feel?
I feel awesome being on this bike.